Hello everyone, never done this before, so I'm gonna just start yapping. I made a Soulsborne Croak Counter, and it has Linux support. It reads it directly from the memory, so it doesn't touch your save file at all, so there's no like save file corruption stuff and all that. Yeah, it works retroactively, so you don't need to like have it on all the time for it to count your croaks. It'll just like work. It writes to the terminal as well as writing to the file, to a file. So it just prints out whenever you croak. It's just right here. It prints out and then it writes to a file, so you can import it into your OBS, your streaming. So let me just go over here and croak. Should just change on the screen. Just update automatically. Boom. Yep, and it for Elden Ring you need to disable its anti-cheat, but it walks you through that. And yep, shout out to Diaz Deaths for the inspiration and the offsets, where I got the offsets from initially. It's GPL v3. And it loads all the offsets from a YAML here. So you just, like, you don't need to recompile the program. You can just edit the offsets right here and then see what's up. That's for like normal people aren't gonna do that though. But yeah, it has templating, so if you want, like right now it's just the curly braces, because that's what it replaces. If you want to just do that, then the file in OBS, when it gets written, it'll use the template as the starting point, so you can get it however you want it to look on your stream. Boom. I can do a whole playthrough. Also, I don't need to restart the program every time if I want to switch a game. If I want to play Elden Ring, I can just boot up Elden Ring. I think I've removed the thing now. Hold on. Classic Linux, taking 5 years to boot games. I love that. Oh my god, and just yep, this is the warning. Please make sure you're disabling the anti-cheat. It gives you a launch option. Well, it gives different for Windows and Linux. To basically tells you how to disable the anti-cheat. And then you have to type yes, understand. And then it will start reading the croaks in Elden Ring. Cap. And then boom, it just updated right there. You saw it right. Yep, and I didn't even restart the program here. It's the same one. Just works. Also, I think I tested, it works in I tested Elden Ring seamless co-op and Dark Souls seamless co-op. I haven't tried DS3 yet, but if it works in those two, probably gonna work. Yep. I don't think I'm close to being able to croak here, so yeah. But yep, that's it. That's the whole thing. So any Linux streamers out there doing Soulsborne playthroughs, boom, there you go. Peace.